In today's video, I'll demonstrate how you can create this lowest car in real footage using CGI and Blender. First, download and import the footage into After Effects. You can find the footage link in the description below the video. Next, locate the 3D camera tracker in After Effects. Drag and drop it onto the footage and let After Effects do the tracking work. Once the tracking process is complete, you'll see numerous tracking points on the footage. Select 3 of these tracking points, then choose to create a solid in camera. Let's accurately position the solid on the ground plane. Use the orientation and position controls to align the solid with the ground in the footage. Adjust the scale and rotation as needed to ensure it matches the perspective of the scene. Now that this setup looks satisfactory to me, copy the camera data from here and switch to Blender. Then, proceed to click on Create Camera. Now that our camera is set up, I'm utilizing the AE2 Blend add-in, which proves to be an excellent tool for transferring camera data seamlessly from After Effects to Blender. Now, let's copy the plane data and click on Create Plane in Blender. Next, let's incorporate the background footage. Adjust the focal length to 36 mm, set the end frame to 229, and ensure the frames per second, FPS, is set to 29.97. Import the car model from the Sketch Fab, link provided in the description. Then, adjust the size of the plane to make it slightly larger. Next, I'll position the car at the end of the plane and add keyframes. Then, I'll move the car to the front of the plane and add another set of keyframes. The car's movement appears too fast, so I'll adjust the timing by dragging the keyframe to the right. In the Shading tab, switch to the World settings and add an HDRI for environmental lighting. Rotate the HDRI image so that the sunlight appears to be coming from the backside of the car. Select the ground plane, navigate to Object Properties, and enable the Shadow Catcher option. Now, I'll modify the glass material from transparent to black color. Next, add a sun lamp behind the car to create a sharp shadow. Render the animation in PNG format. Once it's complete, import all the PNG files into After Effects as a PNG sequence. And you're done. The car shadow appears too light, so let's duplicate it to create a darker shadow.